Ladies and gentlemen, today is a great day for international criminal justice and for the international community as a whole. We have shown that we stand united in our endeavors to safeguard human dignity, fundamental rights and the rule of law, with a common goal of ending impunity on a global scale. The adoption today of the Convention on International Cooperation in the investigation and prosecution of the crime of genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes and other international crimes, the so-called Ljubljansko Hague Convention, is a truly grand and historic achievement. I am so grateful and so proud that the MLA initiative, led by Argentina, Belgium, Mongolia, the Netherlands, Senegal and Slovenia, and our joint commitment and efforts to address and close the impunity gap have led to this historic moment. This new convention is the missing link that will ensure harmonized approaches among the states all over the world and will establish international cooperation and mutual legal assistance mechanisms in investigating and prosecuting international crimes. My utmost gratitude goes to all the participants of the MLA Diplomatic Conference for their admirable dedication, perseverance, and remarkable work during the last 2 weeks of final negotiations on the text of this convention. The new Ljubljansko Hague Convention will significantly enhance the ability of states to exercise their primary responsibility and their obligation to investigate and prosecute international crimes, which is a fundamental principle of international law. A common global framework is now being put in place that will effectively promote and facilitate international cooperation, that will strengthen the states' tools to hold the perpetrators of international crimes to account, and also bring justice and protection to the victims of those crimes. As I have said many times before during this conference, only by all nations working together can we ensure accountability for the crimes committed and bring justice for victims. We now have a solid foundation for reaching this goal. I therefore congratulate all on this amazing collective effort. The message we are sending today will resonate forever. There shall be no impunity for crimes that affect humanity as a whole.